guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing this bold, this sexy, this look on the Fenty Beauty Moroccan Spice Palette. I was gonna say the Menti Beauty. I love the way it came out. I think it is so gorgeous. Like, I love how beautiful and like sultry and the purple tones. I love this. This is like right up my alley. Every time I say right up my alley, everyone always thinks that I'm gonna say right up my ass. Right up my alley, you dirties. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. Join the fam. We are growing. We are slaying. I don't even know what I'm saying at this point. Alright, let's get into the makeup tutorial. The first thing we're going to do is prime our face with the Pony FX Radiance Glow Hydrating Starter. I love this primer. If you want a really good dupe for it, I have the Physicians Formula Spotlight Primer. This is at the drugstore and I think it's about like $11. I think the Pony FX one is about like $25. They are very, very, very similar and they both give a really nice, like hydrated, dewy, nice, like radiant glow to the skin. For foundation today, I'm going to mix these two guys. This is the Colourpop No Filter Foundation and the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth. The Colourpop is in the color Light 65 and the Dewy and Smooth is in the color Warm Nude. So I like to mix them up because it gives it a really nice, like mattifying, smoothing look, but also like radiant and dewy in combination with my primer. Now I'm grabbing this Colourpop No Filter Concealer. I use the shade Light 18. And I'm going to just draw a couple of lines under the eyes. And I'm going in with my little Real Techniques sponge. This is damp. And I'm going to start pushing that into the under eyes. This is a really good bright concealer. Like, when I ordered this online, I didn't think it was going to be this bright because all the other ones didn't seem like as good matches. But this one is so nice and really does such a good job at really brightening the under eyes. So to set the face, I'm using this. I've never used this ever, but I hear so many things about this damn Coty Airspun. And when I opened it, it smells like what you would think like a stereotypical old lady smell would be like. Like, I literally feel like this smells like my grandmother. I'm not even kidding. And this is the color Translucent, but the powder looked kind of pink. So I'm like kind of worried. Okay, now I'm gonna grab this little powder that it comes with and set the rest of my face. Okay, so let's do some brows before we move on to the eyeshadow. For the eyeshadow today, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Moroccan Spice Palette, which is stunning, beautiful, a warm color lover's dream palette. For eyebrows, I'm going to be using the Benefit Kabrow Pomade. If you guys are new here, I love this stuff. It is It is, I don't know if I like it more than the ABH Brow Pomade. I think they're kind of like right there. They're right there for sure. Okay, so today on my eyes, I'm using the Moroccan Spice Palette from Fenty Beauty. And look at how beautiful that is. Like, let me cover this for you so you're not blinded by it. But tell me that is not a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous palette. Like, holy shit. Instead of just marveling at it for like forever, because honestly I just think it's so beautiful. I do think it's a little expensive. It's $59, but I mean, I paid for Natasha Denona shadows, which were like, I don't know, 4 or 5 of them, and they were like $45. So I guess if these are bomb, just like Natasha Denona's, then I think it's definitely worth it, but we're gonna find out. Okay, so first shade I'm gonna go into is this really nice corally right here. I'm just gonna start blending that into my transition area and then slowly moving it upward and just making sure it's really blended out and all over the upper lid. What do you call that? I don't know. Like between the transition and the brow bone. Like, does that even have a name? I don't even know what that's called. But that's the area where I'm concentrating this really pretty color in. They're so stunning, these colors. I really want to know if Rihanna really has like a say in these. I'm pretty sure she does. I mean, I'm pretty sure she does. She's like a boss ass bitch. She probably for sure is like, no, I don't like that. But I wonder if she has like a nice like say in it. Like if she rearranges colors here, or if she like has the vision for it. Like, oh, I really think we should do like a Moroccan themed palette. I mean, I don't know if these colors are cohesive with a Moroccan theme. I mean, they're really beautiful. They're really beautiful because I really don't know a whole lot about Morocco, but I imagine they must have like the most beautiful, like colorful markets with like really nice like fabrics and like beautiful things and herbs and I don't know. You guys know what I'm talking about? Or am I like just imagining what Morocco is in Disney Epcot? You know? Because the Disney here in Orlando has an Epcot, and that park has different countries, and each country has like its own like style and, you know, and flavor, and it's like if it was the actual country. And I'm pretty sure, I want to say Morocco's there, but I'm probably full of shit. But from what I recall, it's something like that. It's like this type of market, and it's just like super stunning. Now I'm grabbing a fluffy brush and making sure that that is all blended out. This is so pretty. I would wear this by itself with some lashes. Boom, and we're good to go. This is so pretty. Okay, now we're gonna get a smaller brush and we're gonna build up the intensity. We're going into this color right here. I'm gonna start placing the color right here in the outer corner because I want some deposit of color there. But then I'm going to start bringing it right where my eye, like my eyelid meets like this part, like this area where the bone is. Wow, I really gotta learn the parts of the eyelid because I'm just like, we're right here, this is right here where you put it. So I'm gonna just go placing it there and going back and forth in some like windshield wiper motions. I'm using a very, very small, not tiny, but like it's a pretty small blending brush. This is a Morphe E17. Why am I showing you this part? And it should be showing you this side so you can see the size. So I'm just concentrating it right there. This is such a beautiful like strawberry color. Now I'm just continuing to just blend it up, I'm not going up too high. I just want it to blend into that corally color, but I'm gonna continue blending. As you go blending, it naturally just disperses. I don't know. You know what I mean. Now I'm grabbing the same fluffy brush that I used to initially blend out that corally color. And I am going to make sure the two are blended together. But again, I'm not bringing it up. I'm not going upwards with it. I'm keeping it right here. Now we're getting sassy. I'm gonna deepen it up with this really nice purple right here. It looks super bright in the camera, but in person it looks a little darker. I'm going in with the same exact brush and I'm concentrating it on the outer corner of my eyelid. Basically doing the same thing that I did with that strawberry color we initially had. Make sure to keep a very light hand. The lighter your touch is, the easier it is to blend things out. And things are just gonna look more seamless that way versus you're like digging into your eye and going really hard and it's not gonna blend out as softly. You want a really nice like diffused, faded gradient look, and a light hand is going to give you that. Okay, now that we have that blended in on the outer corner, I'm gonna go into the inner corner and just give it like a slight deeper tone. Right? So it's gonna basically look like a halo eye very quickly. Because once you start adding all these dimensions and different colors, it's gonna really like look like closed in on the outside and very like bright in the center. Leave the center blank, just concentrate that on the inner and outer corners. And I'm going back in with my fluffy brush and just giving it a really soft, quick blend. I'm loving where this is going. These colors blend so well together, guys. Like, wow. Rihanna really like is killing it, and that team, their product team is killing it too. Like, they're doing such a good job. Everything I've tried so far in Fenty Beauty, I like really like it. And I love that they feature artists and they feature everyone, not just a certain gender or a certain race. They feature everyone on their Instagram, and they feature artists not just that have millions of followers, but people that even have like 200, you know? I would love to be featured on Fenty's page. What? Can you imagine? Can y'all imagine? Okay, Okay, I don't know what to use because these shimmers are all beautiful. I'm leaning toward this one or this one. Holy, oh my God. Look how beautiful that is. I think I'm gonna do this one. Yeah, I'm gonna do that one. Okay, so I'm gonna be grabbing this color right here, literally with my finger, and I'm placing it right in this. That's so pretty. I'm placing it right in the center. Guys, I'm doing my nails today. Don't mind my crusty little fingers. That actually looks so stunning. I hope that you guys can really see that. That is so beautiful. I love that shade. Okay. For the lower lash line, I'm thinking of doing like a little pop of color. So, you know it. I'm gonna go into that blue. Woo. It's a little bit of like a shimmery blue. So I'm hoping it shows up well. Let's see. This is definitely a color to pack on the lid, not to be blending out, because as I blend it out, it gets really, really light. I mean, you can still see that it's blue. It just doesn't keep the color as strongly as I would like it to. I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Mega Liner to do a little wing. Actually, no, these lashes that I'm going to put on are really bold, so I'm not going to do a wing. I'm going to just line the top lash line so that I can conceal the band of the lashes. I'm using the Lilly lashes in the style Miami. They are some really, really, really nice, fluffy and wispy lashes. Now I'm going in with the L'Oreal Voluminous Original in Blackest Black, and I am just putting that on my real lashes so they could blend in with my falsies. I'm going to do a little bit of contouring. I'm going into the Pure Cosmetics Sculptor palette. I'm going into this color right here. This is the lightest shade. And I'm going in with a dome brush. This is the Morphe E34. And I'm going to start, holy fuck. I'm going to start working it right there onto my cheek bones. I've been breaking out a lot. I have so much texture on this cheek. Now I'm going into my Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. I just completely tossed that. Oops. And I'm going to bronze up the face a little bit. I'm like putting bronzer on and it keeps hitting my lashes. I'm like, I need to brighten the under eyes. So I'm going into my super messed up Wet n Wild Dulce de Leche Contour Palette. I'm going into this color right here, which is obviously the only color that is still there. And I'm going to press that under my eye just to add a little brightness under the eye, because I feel like it got completely lost with that blue and with the bronzer. And I'm putting some of that powder on my chin, a little swipe on the nose, and on the center of the forehead, just to bring light back to the center of the face. For highlighter, I'm going to be using the ABH Liquid Glow. Now, I'm a little worried because I don't know how it's going to go on top of powder, so bear with me. Ooh, that's actually so stunning. This is my first time wearing it, and oh my god, that actually looks beautiful on powder. It doesn't look weird at all. I really like it, but I feel like this is probably something that I'll put like all over my body, or on days where I'm not really wearing like a lot of like powder, face makeup, things like that. So I'm gonna go over that with a powder highlighter. I'm using Whisper of Guilt, right? That's what it's called? Yes, Whisper of Guilt from MAC. So right now I'm just bathing in highlighter, putting it all on the areas that I like to be highlighted. The top of the cheekbones, the tip of the nose, Cupid's bow, chin, and right above the beginning of the brows. Now I'm gonna set my face using the Milani Make It Last. I have so many white hairs growing on the top of my head. We're putting this one. This is Colourpop, an Ultra Satin Lip in the color Tulips. If you are looking for an affordable liquid lipstick, but you don't want that dryness of a liquid lipstick, you should definitely check out Colourpop's Ultra Satin Lips. They're really, really nice. Oh my god, I love the way this, hold on, my baby hairs are like wet. They look kind of crazy right now. But I love the way this makeup look came out. It looks so nice. Yes, yes. I'm ready for a night out on the town. Too bad I have to take this off in a few hours to go maybe like running groceries and stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you love the way this came out, give this video a thumbs up. I love you guys. You guys are angels. You guys are absolutely beautiful, stunning, perfection. Don't forget it. I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye.